You've got to have insurance, and other than shop around for the best deal, there's not much you can do to influence that bill. Or is there? As it turns out, there are specific things that go into every homeowner's policy that control how much it costs. Now, some of these things you can influence, some you can't, but it pays to know what they are. Let's start with the obvious ones. First and most obvious, the amount you carry and the number of claims you file. Even if something's not your fault, claims can increase your cost or even get you dropped. Another obvious factor, where you live. Want to live in a hurricane zone or near the water? You know it's going to cost you. Ditto with things like trampolines and pools. Risky stuff means higher rates. And you probably wouldn't be surprised to learn that high crime areas are also more expensive. Okay, so much for the stuff you probably already knew. How about some factors now that might be a little more surprising? Did you know your credit score can affect your rates? Not all companies consider it and not all states allow it, but it does happen. Next, where's the fire? House, that is. The closer you are to a fire station and fire hydrant, the less you'll pay. Did you think about your homeowner's coverage before you got your dog? Some insurers will drop you for having the wrong breed. How about working from home? Even that can cost you. Bottom line, there are lots of factors that go into your insurance rates. Some you can control, some you can't. But it certainly pays to understand them and to shop around. How about some links and more info that can help you reduce all your insurance rates? No problem. Just go to moneytalksnews.com and do a search for insurance. For Money Talks News, I'm Stacey Johnson.